Hello everyone, welcome once again to Learning Station. As I had said previously, we'll be sharing a few videos that will help you to get a better understanding of the English language, and thereby you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. So our topic for today is where to use has and where to use have. Now these are two important words in the English language. We use these terms quite often in our daily life conversations. So it is very essential that you know where to use the term has and where to use the term have. If you do not use these words correctly, then the listener gets an impression that this person is not very confident in English. But don't worry. By the end of this video, I guarantee you that you will know exactly where to use the term has and where to use the term have. So let's start. The first term, has. Now has should always be used with the words he, she and it. So we'll say he has, she has, it has. You should not say he have, she have or it have. This is wrong. The correct usage is he has, she has, it has. Similarly for have, we'll always use have with I have, you have, we have, they have. So this is how you should use the terms has and have. Now let's do one thing. Let's just quickly go outside and see how these words or where these words are used in our daily conversations.
Hi.
Hi. You have a chocolate in your hand.
Yes, I have. We will share.
Okay. It has so many Christmas trees. They have a new bike. Who has a cricket bat? We have a I have a cycle. I have a new storybook.
She has been reading since morning.
We have been riding cycle for an hour.
I hope our little ones have been able to give you a clear understanding as to where you're supposed to use has and have. Now I want you to pause this video and frame a few sentences of your own using I have, you have, we have, they have. Also, he has, she has, it has. Now once you're thorough with this concept, then you can move on to the second stage. So now moving on to the second part. Always remember that for singular nouns, you should always use the term has. And for plural nouns, you should use the term have. I'll explain this with the help of an example. Now in the sentence, butterfly has wings. Here we are talking about only one butterfly, which is a singular noun. That is why we are saying butterfly has wings. Let's take another sentence. Butterflies have wings. The reason why we are using have here is because we are talking about many butterflies. It is a plural noun. So for a singular noun, you're supposed to use has, and for plural nouns, you're supposed to use have. Let us try a few examples so that you understand this better. The first sentence, this book has many pages. Now why are we using the term has over here? Exactly, we are talking about a singular noun because we are talking only about one book. So we say this book has many pages. Let's take another sentence. Chairs have cushions. Here we are talking about many chairs, not one chair. We are saying chairs. That is why we are saying chairs have cushions. Let's check another sentence. Your mobile has a transparent cover. Here again we are talking about a singular noun. That's why we are using the term has. Let's try another sentence. My friends have invited me for dinner. Here we are talking about many friends. So it is a plural noun. That is why we are saying my friends have invited me for dinner. Next sentence. My mom and dad have bought a new flat. Here again we are talking about two people. So it's a plural noun. Mom and dad. That's why we are saying mom and dad have bought a new flat. So I hope you have got a clear understanding as to where we are supposed to use have and where we are supposed to use has. I have an activity for you. Go through those sentences and fill in the sentences with has or have. Do let me know your scores. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So until meeting you next time, it's Neema and the team at Learning Station signing off. Do take good care of yourself.